Today, we are exploring the therapeutic world of fabric manipulation to create a breathtaking bodice detail. For this project, we are pairing two beautifully soft linen fabrics. We begin by cutting our accent fabric, the peach linen. You will need a strip that is 2.5 inches high and 24 inches wide. Here is a golden rule for this technique. Always take 3 times the width of your final desired measurement, as the pleating will significantly shrink the fabric. Before we begin making our folds, let's get our sewing machine ready. Gently using my fingers to guide the fabric, we are shaping tiny, even folds, about 4 to 5 millimeters wide. Take your time here, enjoying the rhythm of the machine as it catches each pleat. We are going to transform these flat pieces of textiles into a tactile three-dimensional art piece. I like to call this technique the diamond lattice smocking. Once stitched, our 24-inch strip has beautifully gathered down to about 10 inches. Now let's bring in the iron. Pressing is where the magic truly begins. Gently fan out the folds on either side of our center stitch line and iron them flat. This creates crisp, clean, and consistent box-like pleats. Next, we attach our main maroon fabric. I'm sewing one piece to the bottom and another to the top to frame our pleated accent strip. While I love this two-tone contrast, you could absolutely use a single color for a subtle, elegant shadow textured look. With our top and bottom pieces securely attached, our design panel is complete. We've created a lovely contrast here. Let's run the iron over it one more time to lock in these sharp lines and prepare the fabric for our hand stitching. With our structure secure, it's time to remove that temporary center stitch. Using a seam ripper or the tip of a pin, gently slide the thread out. Look at how beautifully the pleats hold their shape. For the embroidery, I'm using a soft, light beige cotton floss. I've separated the strands and recombined them to use 4 strands for the perfect thickness. To guide our handwork, we are going to lightly mark 2 horizontal lines across the pleated section, spacing them exactly half an inch apart. We will be working a variation of the herringbone stitch. Starting on the bottom marked line, move diagonally up to the top line, catch the next 2 folds and bring the needle back down. As you gently pull the thread, watch how the fabric responds. The center opens up, the edges pinch together, and a stunning 3D diamond lattice pattern emerges. It is incredibly satisfying to watch the fabric come alive. To make sure this bodice is completely comfortable against the skin, I highly recommend adding a soft cotton lining or a lightweight fusible interfacing over the back of the stitches. This protects the embroidery and keeps it perfectly smooth to wear. A final press with the iron removes our guidelines and sets the gorgeous texture. Look at that incredible depth and unique high-end finish. This beautiful diamond lattice texture is incredibly versatile. While it makes a stunning horizontal panel for a dress bodice, you can easily adapt it to other pieces. Imagine this running vertically down a dramatic sleeve, accenting a cuff, or even adding a touch of handmade elegance to a linen throw pillow. Once we reach the end, secure the thread neatly on the back. For a completely different look, try using a vibrant printed silk or lightweight polyester for the main bodice and matching a single solid color for the pleated center. This creates a gorgeous ombre frame, pulling the colors together and giving the finished dress an incredibly luxurious, high-end look. Thank you so much for spending this quiet time with me today. Until next time, happy stitching!